Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making sure your Apple Watch and iPhone are paired and updated. This avoids compatibility problems. On your iPhone, install Google Maps and enable location services and background app refresh so the watch can receive directions. Once done, open the Watch app, go to My Watch, find Google Maps and install it to the watch. This pushes the app across and prepares watch side navigation. You're now ready to move from setup into sending a route to the watch. With Google Maps installed, search your destination on the iPhone and request directions. Choose the route variant if needed so the watch follows the correct plan. Then tap the watch icon or the Send to Device option. This transmits turn-by-turn data to your Apple Watch. Make sure your phone stays nearby and connected. The watch relies on the phone for map data if it lacks cellular. On the watch, open Google Maps. Pick the received route and tap Start to begin voice and haptic guidance. Once navigation is running, you'll feel haptic taps and see clear arrows and ETA on your watch. Use those cues so you avoid constantly checking your phone. When you finish, stop navigation on the watch or phone to clear the route. If something goes wrong, make sure location services and background app refresh are allowed. Both devices are on the same Google account and network, and reinstall the Google Maps Watch app if needed. If problems persist, restart both devices to re-establish the connection.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.